Hi, this is Al with Golden Gates Security. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your device.
To replace the batteries on your glass breaks that are located on top of your ceiling, the first thing you have to do is to match these two little arrows by rotating the glass break counterclockwise, and it will pop out. Replace the two lithium CR123 batteries by a couple of brand new ones. Try not to tap the glass break, that will damage the device. Put the new ones and then match again the two arrows, and finally click the device by rotating it clockwise.
And that's how you replace the batteries on your glass break. And remember, you're gonna need two lithium CR123 batteries. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at 281-777-0300. Once again, this is Al with Golden Gates.